Indian authorities headed by the New Delhi installed Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha are installing CCTV cameras on a large scale at all the tourist and the public places across occupied Kashmir, especially in the Kashmir Valley, to monitor the movement of the local population round the clock, alongside the heavy deployment of the Indian forces and the mobile units equipped with advanced weaponry and the surveillance systems. Massive funds are being spent on installing the CCTV cameras across the region. Indian forces have intensified their crackdown across occupied Kashmir since 10th May, severely disrupting the daily life in the territory. The frequent raids, arbitrary arrest and the heightened surveillance have created an atmosphere of fear and uncertainty, particularly in the towns and the villages where the people are subjected to routine harassment. In one such incident, the Indian forces arrested an individual under the draconian the Public Safety Act in the Rajouri district, continuing the trend of detaining the civilians without the due process. People will observe the martyrdom anniversaries of the prominent liberation leaders Mirwais Maulvi Muhammad Farooq and Khwaja Abdul Ghani Lone and the martyrs of the Hawal in occupied Kashmir and Azad Kashmir tomorrow. Seminars and the Fatah Khwani would be organized and the speakers would condemn the genocide of the Kashmiris by the Indian forces in the territory. Senior all-party Hurriyat Conference leader Mirwais Umar Farooq has expressed serious concern over the repeated arrest of the Kashmiris in occupied Kashmir. Mirwais Muhammad Farooq, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said the continued detention of the targeting of the youth is unjust and counterproductive. At least 40 sheep and the goats of a nomadic herder died in a lightning strike late night in the forest area of the Kangan in the Ganderbal district. An official said that the livestock belongs to Abdul Wahid Khatana of the Rajouri.